Good morning.
Good morning.
What's your name?
My name is Brainer Adriano. What's your name?
My name is Matias Navarro.
Where are you from?
I am from Piura. Where are you from?
I am from Piura.
How are you?
Uh, in 17 year. How are you?
In 17 years old.
Are from Lima?
No, in from Piura. Is this your cell phone?
Yes, it is my cell phone is black. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Goodbye.
Bye bye.